So basically, we do what's called a performance report. Okay, so before we undertake any renovation or any project, we are well aware of what the expected returns for the client will be. And that's there in black and white in a very transparent report. Okay, so it really covers so many areas of the renovation process, what needs to be done under the scope of works, and what the expected market value will be when the project is finished and how long all of that will take. It's, you know, it's reports that come from professionals, they're independent, they're third party, and they make life very easy for, you know, a homeowner to make a decision as to whether or not they should proceed with their renovations and whether or not they want to, you know, they want the benefits of those advantages.